What's up, beautiful people? Welcome. Today's video is about financial ways how to make money online. Coming up. $300 million videos are found with this keyword on YouTube. Finacial. Finacial? Yes, the word financial. What is this word? So I tried looking it up on Google and got no meaning. But over 3 million people are searching for this non-description word every 0.45 seconds. That's crazy. So why are people searching for a word that is not in the dictionary or even the great Google? I think this is really a misspelled word for the word financial. I think. What do you think? So why so many people call it finacial? As in Finacial. Is it how we speak, so we spell the words the same? But whatever it is, I'm digging this word. Okay, enough of that. Let's dive in. So there are plenty of ways to make money online, and there's also plenty of them that are scams. Yes, scams. But like life, you have to decide whether or not you want to try till you win or give up and keep on saying you're broke. With that said, number one, YouTube. And yes, you might be saying YouTube. Yes, YouTube. There are lots of opportunities on YouTube, and I'm gonna share some with you. All you got to do is create an account if you don't have one already. Upload something you like doing. You can capture content by using your smartphone or a DSLR camera. But it's more cheaper if you use a smartphone. And the way all these smartphones nowadays are getting so smart, even the camera is very great, there's always a big chance that your footage is gonna come out great. Have at least 5 videos on your channel, and please make sure that your channel is at least 1 week old. Join the YouTube Partner Program, then enable monetization. And I have to tell you, when you enable monetization, you don't get monetized same time. There's a requirement. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the previous 12 months. But guys, don't worry. All you got to do is just keep on uploading videos that people like, and trust me, you're gonna hit those targets without even you really noticing it. And that led us to the second way, affiliated links. Yes, affiliated links. What are affiliated links? Affiliated links are links given to individual by companies who they are partnered with. For example, my affiliated link is Amazon. I'm a partner with Amazon. So in the description, you guys are gonna see some links to some of the cool stuff that I use to produce videos. If you guys want your videos to look like this or even more greater, because trust me, I'm not a filmmaker. I don't know lighting that well. I don't know how to grade. But that's the good thing about YouTube, you don't have to do all of these things. So there are many companies and websites that offer this kind of service. But for somebody who is starting out, I highly recommend Amazon Associate. It's the easiest to get in, and I would say the money is great, good. It can be wonderful. So all you gotta do is just go on Amazon and make sure you have an Amazon account. If you do not, then create an Amazon account. Then on the Amazon page, you're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom where you're going to see affiliated programs. Click on it and follow the instructions to the T, and you should be good. So when you get approved, all you got to do is shorten the links and put them in your description in your YouTube videos. Put them in the description in your YouTube videos. And when somebody click on that and purchase a product, then you get a cut of that money. And don't worry about it being a little bit, because trust me, over time that little bit is going to turn into a big bit, really big bit. There are websites that offer great services for you to make money online. But, I thought that's come. I think I'm gonna create another video showing you guys exactly where to go, what to do, all the process, so you guys can make money online. If you want a video like that, let me know in the comment below so that I can put it out. Again guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you do like this content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out any of my content. And as always, laugh, cry, enjoy.